Everyone, hope you're fine. In this video I will tell you how you can block or unblock any number in your device Poco C40. So if in this device, if you want to block any unwanted contact number, or if you want to unblock it, like if you want to add the number to the blacklist, you can do this in the few steps as I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video, and you will learn how you can add and remove the number from the blacklist. Let's watch it.